Alright guys, welcome to Jay Straight Up Reviews and More. Now I had a few requests wanting to put the new Authentics 500 up against the Boombox 3, Authentics 500. A little bit different. We're going to run them both plugged in, since obviously the A500 has to be plugged in. But the Boombox 3 gets a little bit of a boost when you plug it in. So let's roll it. Alright, so I have the speakers towed in slightly. Like I said, they are both plugged in. Obviously the A500 has to be plugged in. Now I do have, both of these have app where you can change the EQ, but I'm running both of them perfectly flat. So they're exactly the same, no bass boost, no treble boost, no nothing. So we're going to start at 20%. We'll start with the Boombox on the right. 20%. $500. Boombox. $500. Let's go up to 40%. Boombox. $500. Boombox. 500 seems a little stronger. Just on the fuller end, lower end. 500. A bit louder too. Let's go up to 60. On the 500. Boombox. The low pro hoe should be cut like an apple. So what you saying, she's the way to you, and I know she's a loser. You know, me and the crew used to do it. Poison. Come on, Mandalorian. 500. Yeah, sliding in the freezer full of black. Change track, still 60. On the 500. Boombox. $500. Boombox. Let's go up to 80%. $500. Boombox. $500. I'll stop there for a second. Now the Boombox sounds good. It has a full sound to it. It's not as bright. You can tell the 500, it's a brighter sound, especially as you're getting higher in volume. But it has a more of a grunt down low too. It has more of a full sound than the Boombox 3, surprisingly. All right, let's get back to it. Still on the 500. $500. Boombox 3, max volume. $500. Boombox 3. $500. Change back. Still max volume. Boombox. $500.
Doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why.
Take it down to 60%.
Losing my mind.
Boombox.
Save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride.
500.
Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want it.
Boombox.
Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get. To love an emotional mess.
Change track. Still on the boombox.
Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in the
500.
ghostly figures they can get so good and show you want to until you can turn back to you.
Go up to 80%.
What's going on inside where the monsters like to come alive, come alive.
Boombox, 80%.
Wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide. You love me at my worst till the coffin's in the dirt.
500.
Cause you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd.
Boombox.
Anyone can
Let's go up to max volume.
little mansion. Could you love her? A haunted, haunted house. Or could you love me?
500.
Haunted, haunted, I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just checking out,
Boombox.
I'm a haunted house.
Take it back down to 40%.
Broken windows and a warning.
500. Back down to 40.
It's hard. You never try to burn me down. You're blue. You could you love me on my worst till the coffin's in the dirt.
So there you go, guys. That's the comparison of the Boombox 3 against the new 500 Authentics by JBL. Now, granted, these are both a little bit different style speakers. That Authentic 500, you can't take it like out somewhere. Doesn't have a battery. Has to be plugged in, whereas the Boombox does. But it's a stronger overall speaker than the Boombox 3. I'll give it that. It is brighter, so that makes it louder. You're looking at probably anywhere from, depending on, at any given volume level, it's been louder as we went up. But even max volume, it's 3 to 6 dBs louder. So you're looking at, you know, maybe 40 to 50, 60% more output. Part of that being that it is brighter. Like I said, with the Boombox, you could increase the treble to make it brighter, and you'd probably gain a dB or two. But still, yeah, it's not as loud, but it is portable. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I think both of these are good options, but they're a little bit different categories. But we wanted to have a comparison of these. We had requests for that, and it was an interesting matchup. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We always appreciate that. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my videos hit. Catch you guys in the next one. That's a wrap.